Helen Pashgian is a major contributor and pioneer of the light and space movement of the 1960s and 70s. This was in Southern California, and during her foundational years, Pashgian explored the many industrial materials used for making things such as surfboards to airplanes. Sharing in industrial materials with neighboring fields, such as the aerospace industry, truly grounded her in the historic Cold War space race and under the sunny blue skies of California. The artist is known for being a groundbreaking female artist amongst a sea of male colleagues. She is known for her transparent and translucent sculptures, molded discs, and spheres that reflect and diffuse light. Pashgian was recognized as the Distinguished Woman in the Arts and received the award in 2013 from the Museum of Contemporary Art in Los Angeles. Pashgian has worked with master chemists and chemical engineers in order to really perfect her craft and understand how to use her materials. Her passionate pursuit even placed her before a group of scientists where she explained how and why she was using such unique and rather odd materials. The presentation caught the attention of many except one whose entire PhD doctoral dissertation was based on how one of the techniques Pashgian had used was not even possible, proving Pashgian to be quite the innovator. The artist spent many of her earlier years as a creative mastering the use of the materials, much of which was through careful experimentation. Her solo exhibition in 2014 at Los Angeles County Museum of Art demonstrates her skill in mold casting acrylic. Her aim to tinker with light and perception were best demonstrated in the 8 feet tall, glowy towering columns. Her interest in the depth of light and reference the way light and the surface of water interact. Her interest in reflection, light, and movement are carefully casted throughout her work. The display of towering tubes housed geometric projections and were installed with glues and clamps. The artist explains that these are very complex, and she uses deep ocean blues in many of her projects, Light Invisible being her largest installation. Her tedious work and extreme attention to detail are factors that cause her to be a great artist. Thanks to her selective choice in materials, she even comments on how her pieces could potentially have a lasting longevity. Helen Pashgian was later known as the Grand Dame of Light. She was born in Pasadena and attended Pomona College before moving to the East Coast, where she attended Boston University for the study of art history. When she returned to California, she began working as an artist who was deeply inspired and influenced by the California coast and ocean, specifically the water and reflection of light and the ocean surface in addition to movement. Pashgian felt a powerful connection to the beaches of California. The light and reflection was a major reason for her exploration with using aerospace materials. The artist expresses that her pieces aim to draw the viewer's eye needs to look at past the surface. Their purpose is to teach about negative space and the light surrounding. Many of her pieces possess ethereal qualities, luminous effects, and demonstrate the playful relationship between space, light, matter, reflection, and movement. All of the great Helen Pashgian masterpieces create an innovative space and time where art and chemistry bond, just as protons and neutrons. Her skilled work can be compared to that of a master chemist or a chemical engineer. The artwork she produces invites viewers and observers to reconnect with themselves. They offer a place of peace, sublimity, and offer viewers a moment to pause and process. Typical of the light and space movement, Helen Pashgian shares an essence of scientific beauty and aesthetic sublimity.